Can anything stop you now?
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
No.
No?
Go.
Go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hello there. How you doing? Hey, Mickey and Minnie. You're in a good pair of legs. Of course, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong? Walking on the Hooray! Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. There they are! We'll be right down! That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Ready? Now, let's Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
What's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon, okay? So long.
You really like that one?
I like to do that.
I'm sure you do.